Hello, this is Adam for RealHomeRecording.com, and this is your 3 minutes mastering tip. I call this one the negative 1.0 decibel full scale rule. Whenever you're doing AAC or MP3 encoding, there's a simple rule that you need to follow, and that rule is you need to not ever have any peaks over negative 1.0 decibels full scale. You may have heard that when you're mixing music to aim for negative 0.3 or negative 0.1. No. If you are encoding to a lossy format, what will happen a lot of times is your frequencies will be shot up and you'll clip. Clipping is bad. And this is especially important with really hyper compressed music, which by the way I recommend against, but there's a lot of genres that do a lot of compression and hit that limiter really hard. And if you go past negative 1, it will sound like shit. I had a conversation with a subscriber about this about a month ago, and that solved all his problems. He was trying to upload files to SoundCloud, and SoundCloud converts your files to MP3 or maybe AAC. I don't know. But either way, they convert to MP3, and he said it sounded terrible. So I said, hey, man, have you tried putting your limiter set to negative 1? He did it, and he's like, oh, my God, my music sounds really good now. So try this out the next time you are mastering your own music. And if somebody else is mastering your music, tell them, look, don't go past negative 1. That's the negative 1 rule. This has been Adam for RealHomeRecording.com.